Hi folks, Ivo here. Today I'm going to showcase you another product from UniFi line. This time I have UniFi USG-PRO-4 or UniFi Security Gateway Pro. This product comes in a colorful box like all UniFi products, and we can see on the outside the good presentation of the products inside. So on the top we have the front picture of the product. On the sides we have product name, some product information, and at the back we have showcase of some of the product features. So let's unbox it and see what's inside, and then we are going to talk a little bit about performance of this device. So we have cardboard box, okay, now we have some quick start guide, nice, colorful, and then we have the actual product itself. Next to the some rack mount screws and nuts, 6 of course, and one single power cable because this device only have a single PSU. So let's take a look at the front. What do we have at the front? We have standard device LED status. We have console port, USB port, 2 gigabit Ethernet ports marked as LAN 1 and LAN 2. We have two AJ45 WAN 1 and WAN 2, but these are combo ports with these two SFPs, SFP1, SFP2. We have a reset button built in. I would like to take a note that this device does not come with separate rack ears. The rack ears are part of the front bezel. At the side we have some ventilation holes, same as the other side, and at the back we have more ventilation holes paired with 2 exhaust and single power supply connector. That's all about physical appearance of the device, and let me talk about dimensions. This device is 484 millimeters wide, 164 millimeters depth, and 44 millimeters thick, which is basically standard. So about the other physical properties of this device consumes about 40 watts of power and provides performance of 4 gigabits, which is line rate for this device, which is also little bump from the basic USG. But this device has more significant power than the basic USG. It has dual core 1 GHz MIPS 64 CPU, which has hardware acceleration for packet processing, and is paired with 2 GB of DDR3 RAM. So this is my unboxing and overview of the USG-PRO-4. I don't really have comments about this device particularly because this is not my device. I'm not going to be the end user. This is device for the client, and client specifically asks for this device. So this is the end of this video, and Ivo signing out.